Good morning, it's Sunday the 29th of April 2018. So today we're just doing a day trip out into the Marysville area. So we were looking at heading across to Keppel's hut, but we just seen on the sign on the way in that there is road closures in place. So we're just going to take this short 9-kilometre drive up to Keppel's Falls and have a bit of a walk in there and have a look. There hasn't been a lot of rain recently, but we thought we'd just come and check it out and see what the falls look like. So Lady Talbot Drive runs right next to the Taggart River here. Beautiful clear river. So we've just walked up a fairly steady gradient, just crossing a small footbridge, heading back out into the darkness now until we find out where the falls are. Okay, you can hear the rush of the water at a little viewing area now of Phantom Falls. How cool is that? Okay, so we're at the Keppel Falls Walk car park. I mentioned earlier about road closures in place, which we found once we got up here. As you can see, this is where the end of the line is today. So it's a bit unfortunate, being a four-wheel drive only part of the road. And there's the road closed sign. I'm not sure why it's closed. Must be trees down. There was a few trees down driving into here, but they'd all been cut and cleared. Maybe just road conditions and stuff like that, but that's all good. We'll go for a bit of a wander out for the 2K return walk up to Keppel's Falls. Okay, so we're probably about 700 metres into the walk into Keppel Falls. It's actually really nice through here. Been a few trees down we've had to climb over, and it looks like another one just there in front of us. But if you're really quiet for a moment, you can hear the river on both sides of us. Alright, time to go over this big boy. Alright, not sure if you can hear me above the noise of these waterfalls, but here we are, Keppel's Falls. So we're about 12 or 13 kilometres out of Marysville. So the 2k walk in, it's quite flat most of the way. There's going to be one little pinch on the way out, but awesome spot. So this is where we'll conclude this trip, just out of Marysville, Phantom Falls, Keppel Falls. So it's only roughly, it's only 10-15 k's, not even, out of Marysville, just to see these things. The roads, we originally planned on getting up to Keppel's hut, but like you would have seen that there was road closures in place, which is all good, fine. Ended up being quite a relaxing day. We had a bite to eat after our 2k walk up to Keppel's Falls. So what we're going to do now is pop back into Marysville, probably just visit the lolly shop, and then make our way back home for the day. So if you have liked what you've seen, comment down below, click subscribe and give us a thumbs up. Might see you around sometime. Thanks for watching.